Hi, it's Heather from Ewe Ewe Yarns, and I'm here to talk to you today about my Foxtrot cardigan that I'm wearing. It's a great cardigan designed by Greene of Olive Knits, and I have knit mine in Ewe Ewe Wooly Worsted yarn, which is an all merino squishy yarn that we sell here at Ewe Ewe Yarns. It has 95 yards on the ball and it knits up beautifully, and it's especially great for sweaters and lots of projects because it's a really durable and wearable yarn. This sweater is knit in one piece from the neck down, and it increases at the arms, and then you work the body, and then you come back and you work the arms down. It features bracelet length sleeves, which on me are a little shorter because I'm a tall girl with long arms. And then the body features this really cute zigzag lace stitch all around, you can see, and I think that's meant to be the foxtrot pattern. And then at the collar, there's no buttons, but you can see there is a ripply edge. Here, let me stand back a little and maybe you can see it a bit better. Yeah, there you go. And it just makes a nice detail. It hits right at the hip, which I really like. I wear it with jeans and a nice little shirt. Did I have a skirt on? So it's just a really easy cardigan to throw on, and it's fun to knit. Here, I'll show you that little lace stitch detail. A little closer. Oh yeah, look how pretty that shows up. So again, this is called the Foxtrot Cardigan. It's designed by Greene of Olive Knits, and it works perfectly in Ewe Ewe Wooly Worsted yarn. And I have kits up on our website with different color ideas, like you could knit it in our forest fern color, this awesome dark green. You could knit it in, this is red velvet, which it's a nice burgundy color, or you could knit it in wheat and it would really show up those stitches really well, and this would go with kind of anything. It's a great like camel khaki color, so you could wear it with all sorts of stuff, wear it to work, whatever. So yeah, if you like that sweater, you can get more information, a link to the pattern, a link to the yarn kit where you can see more colors. And also, if you like our videos, be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.